Senior citizens, Kumasi Asante Kotoko bid to sign Emmanuel Kotei, a right back for Nsoatreman. Now, as I say, deal no, a Drew baby, I'll bet to say a done deal because Nsoatreman coach, a friend, Maxwell Konadu, Edin Symbia to you virtually or confirm it's a deal no is done and dusted. And once a Mohammed, bro, it will fear. Pacho, how you Super 24 TV. Unsubscribe here, I know I hit the red subscribe button. Now about the man also. Now you build it together. Now wait to follow social media handles also. Facebook is Super 24 TV, Instagram, you could watch blog man. Now you di kasu boom. Oh, kasu boom, 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 kasu. Hey, Ghana Blasters, a PM, La Côte d'Ivoire. This tournament is going to be the tournament at Ghana. At the cap no na mi busa me wo vem se Ghana betimi aye afcon to be a pimpi anya na the last time a Ghana e call afcon final mo be kaya na team ne nheda anye strong sa ye fam paibo entire the Black Stars achi titri abra ye nyina ye nua ya de nyina Richmond Lamti ejinem for Ghana Black Stars. Yes, now but in some bro. But before that, I'm in for message with mount as a light for our path for today. And the date, 11th of January 2024, the year of our Lord. Let's take this message as a light for our path for today. In a moment of anger, a little bit of patience can save you a lot. In a moment of anger, a little bit of patience can save you quite a lot. Abra bufua ba akoma kosoro emotions fly no sa wunya abotere kakra bia ebetimi asave papa abufuo ba wan ha de obeye no abufuo achi no enuhu ntimi nua abufuo de yifirim ewo wakwam otufo nyankopon ema yenti ase. Now back into the stories. Emmanuel Kotei, all is set for him to join. Yes, na Kumasi Asante Kotoko ne arichi agreement contacts ne dey say they o ma pass the talking stage no Kotoko a pass that as I say na akase sika no ebe hiti account no Maxwell Konadu Nsoatreman coach ena emra no odi nkomo ena all kase well boy no ono as the coach of Nsoatreman ya ka kire no say Kumasi Asante Kotoko aba player no ho na on the only problem ono asema o can say sir Emmanuel Kotei kwa he is going to fish out and get an equally good player for the club. Enti Maxwell Konadu enya confirm say he is ready to replace Emmanuel Kotei for Nsoatreman sa Kotoko. One Kotoko deal no to say it's almost done deal no. Sikano enya di exchange pe. Let's say Emmanuel move to Kumasi Asante Kotoko. This is coming from an official position because Maxwell Konadu the coach of Nsoatreman and Okase. He is ready to replace him. Nkoma udi no and I met him. So it confirms the fact that Emmanuel Kotei right now the deal is done and dusted by the confirmation of the coach of Nsoatreman. What the kind friend is saying Emmanuel Kotei no cry replacement into a no done and deal. Now to other deals they are all subjected to official confirmation though. Even though say agreement have been reached, especially with regards to Safiu there no. Kobra usu no for now no obeka say there is some uncertainty a konkon ho. Safiu there agreement has been reached, but say no Kotoko na doubt kakra o Kotoko side. Safiu a ball for a check kakra. It's Kotoko for person who the match fitness and all that before say ombe committee sanity about Safiu. And on the other player baby any good stars Prince Kobna the player is obviously willing to come and I know some be buy club in nature say obekwa in this time and no come on in the subsequent days the be pie from biad ye de brew e wo fie. But for now the Emmanuel Kotei and done seal and dusted utumfo nyankopon me entiase information by am sade brew e wo fie. Hi Super 24 TV from the blog man me wie madwuma me do sia e cha bebre me call